Baby, I'm just trying to play cool.
Hi guys, welcome back to our CSC 508 project. In this video, I'm going to explain assignment 2. For this assignment, I reused the same base code from assignment 1, but I made some updates and improvements to match the new requirements. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Amziar Maisara Binti Md Radzi from Class A4 CDCS 2304B, and my student ID is 2023663574. This is classes that I created. The main structure of classes remains the same: core classes such as cosmetic, cosmetic main, linked list, node, and empty list exception. I have updated and added the classes called queue, stack, and converter for this assignment too. Now, let's move to the first class, which is the cosmetic class. This class acts as the main data model for my system. Each object of the cosmetic class represents one cosmetic item in the inventory. All these are declared as private, and I've provided getter and setter methods to safely access and modify them. It's basically the backbone of the whole cosmetic inventory system. Next, I will explain the linked list class. This is a custom linked list that stores cosmetic objects. The constructor sets head, tail, and current to null. The method is empty, checks if the list is empty. The print method shows the list content. If it's empty, it returns empty list. These two methods are for inserting items. Insert at front adds a new cosmetic at the beginning. Insert at back adds a new item at the end. The size method counts and returns how many cosmetics are in the list. Get first gets the first item. Get next moves to the next item. And get last returns the last item in the list. These methods remove items from the list. Remove from front deletes the first item. Remove from back deletes the last item. Overall, this linked list class helps store, retrieve, and manage multiple cosmetic items in a custom list structure. Now, I will explain the node class. This class is used to build each part of the linked list. Each node stores one cosmetic item and a reference to the next node. There are 3 constructors help us create nodes in different ways. I included getItem and setItem to access or update the cosmetic. I also have getNext and setNext to access or update the next node. The toString method returns all cosmetics in the list as a string, one after another. It helps to print the whole linked list nicely. Overall, the node class is like a building block for the linked list, helping to store and link cosmetic items together. Next, we have the empty list exception class. This is a custom exception that extends runtime exception.it is used to show an error when the list is empty, and we try to access or remove an item. The constructor calls super and shows the message. The list is empty warning. This makes it easier to handle errors clearly in the program. So, if we try to remove or get an item from an empty list, this exception will be thrown. Now, I will explain the queue class. This class extends the custom linked list class. It follows the FIFO concept, first in, first out. Just like people lining up, the constructor calls super to use the linked list structure. There are a few main methods, which are: enqueue adds a new cosmetic item at the back of the queue. Dequeue removes the item from the front of the queue. GetFront returns the first item. GetEnd returns the last item, but also reinserts it to keep the queue same. The method is empty, checks if the queue is empty. Print prints the queue using the inherited print method. Overall, this class is used to manage cosmetics in order, like customers waiting in line. Now let's move to the stack class. This class also extends the custom linked list class. It uses the LIFO concept, last in, first out. That means the last item added will be the first one removed. The constructor uses super to inherit everything from linked list. There are a few main methods, which are: push adds a cosmetic item to the top of the stack using insert at front. Pop removes the top item using remove from front. Peek checks the top item without removing it. The method is empty, checks if the stack is empty. Sprint is used to print the stack content using the print method from linkedlist.so. Overall, the stack class helps to store and manage cosmetics in reverse order, like stacking makeup items. Now let's move to the converter class. This class is used to convert infix expressions into postfix form. Postfix is easier for computers to evaluate. This precedence function returns the priority level of math operators. Plus and subtract have lower priority. Multiply and divide are higher. And power has the highest. This infix to postfix method is the main function that does the conversion. It uses a stack to handle operators, loop through each character in the expression. If it's a letter or digit, add to result. If it's opening bracket, push to stack. If it's close bracket, pop until opening bracket is found. If it's an operator, pop from stack if the operator on top has higher or equal precedence, then push the new one. Finally, pop all remaining operators from the stack and add to result. So overall, this class helps convert expressions into postfix format, which is useful for evaluating math expressions step by step using stacks. This is the main class where the entire cosmetic inventory system is controlled. In declaration of main data structures, these 4 structures are used to store products. Each one will be used differently, like ArrayList for storage, queue for order, stack for reverse, linked list for display. The copy ArrayList to linked list method copy all items from ArrayList to linked list to help with structured display. The move queue to stack method transfers all products from queue to stack. Useful for showing reverse order of processing. The main function controls the whole user interface. User can add, find, remove, display, calculate, or convert expressions. There are 8 options for user to choose. That's why I used switch case for easy to choose the options. The case 1 is add product. User can add product into all structures, so each can be used for different purpose later. Case 2 is find product. User can search product by name in ArrayList. Next, case 3 is move product list from queue to stack based on our move queue stack declaration. Case 4 is remove product from stack. It will remove top item from the stack. Case 5 is display product nicely using linked list to string. Case 6 is calculate from stack. Get from calculate from stack function that calculate total, average, min v max price from stack. Now let's look at the calculate from stack method. This method is used to analyze the prices of all products stored in the stack. First, we check if the stack is empty. If yes, we stop the method and show a warning. Then, we declare 4 variables. And we also create a temporary linked list. This is used to temporarily hold the items while we're calculating. Then we use this while loop. In this loop, we pop each cosmetic item from the stack. We add its price to sum. We check for min and max values. And we store it into temp stack. After all calculations are done, we restore the original stack. This way, the stack goes back to its original state, no data lost. Finally, we display the result. Users can now see the total, average, lowest, and highest price of products inside the stack. Case 7 is convert infix to postfix that convert math expression for academic requirement related to stack usage. Case 8 is exit. When the user chooses this, .it will exit the program. This main class handles all user input and connects different data structures like ArrayList, linked list, queue, and stack. It allows adding, searching, calculating, and converting, all in one organized system. Now, it'll demonstrate how this program runs.
system, baby. Oh my God, yes, and yes, on that. I was really hoping that he will come through. Oh my God, telephony, yeah, asking all the time about what I should do. Now I can never let him go. 나만 생각나 24. 넌 행운아야 정말로. I know. 너를 기천까지는 나음이 없어서 전부 다 내 맘이 끝이 없는 걸. I know. It's living in my system, baby. I'm going crazy, right, baby. I'm going crazy, right, baby. My heart is glowing now. 너랑만 있으면 미소를 계속 같은 멜보진 더 멜보진. My heart is glowing, it be glowing. Oh my God, yes and yes on that. I was really hoping that he will come through. Oh my God, telephony, yeah, asking all the time about what I should do. Now I can never let him go. He's right there for me 24. 난 행운아야 정말로. I know. 너를 기천까지는 나 의미 없어서 전부 다 어떡해. My heart is glowing, my heart is glowing up so I can't sleep at night. Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Let's talk ASAP. Do you have the time? Let's talk ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't